Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to this Saturday afternoon. Absolutely raining cats and dogs in England, which is good for picking locks because it means I can come to my picking shed and I haven't got to go back to the house, which is great because of course it's too wet to go down there. Okay, so today we're going to pick a challenge lock. Now this lock is pinned up by none other than Bronx-LockPicker 60. I've been wanting to pick a Bronx-LockPicker 60 lock for quite some time now, and this lock was given to me by Apache Locksport. John, I really appreciate this lock and all the rest of the locks you sent over. So let's see what it takes to get into this. Now, I normally use my old trusted Southall medium hook, but it's come to the end of its days. Snapped it on a Ruco, which I bought over the weekend. Which I bought on Friday, or was it Thursday? Thursday, I think it was. So I snapped that. So lock's great, picks no good for picking Rucos. But after watching Tobias and Julian, TNG Lockpicking Nord over in Germany, they were making their own picks out of feeler gauge band. And they were using 0.5mm feeler gauge band. So I thought I'd get some and have a go myself. So I've made this medium hook. Still got to make a handle for it, but you know it's nice. And then I also made this like a little DeForest diamond swoopy sort of pick. As you can see, you know, I've literally just finished them. Hands are still dirty, so I thought I need to pick a lock with them, and so here we go. Bronx-LockPicker 60 lock. Okay, top of the keyway. Going to use my new homemade DeForest diamond and go into the back of the lock, and let's see where we go. Okay, pin 5, counter, and a click. Pin 4, got a little click off of 4, 3, a little click off of 3, a little click off of 1, number 2, back to the back, a little click off of 5, I'll just drop something off of 4, I'll click out of 3, click out of 2, a little click out of 1 and a little movement on the core. Go back to 5, nothing of 5, nothing of 4, counter, click out of 3, a little bit more movement on the core. Nothing of 2, and we're open off 1. Superb! What a fantastic lock! Lovely feedback. Let's see what's inside. Okay, now I haven't got a key for this, so we're definitely not going to lock this up. Let's just make sure it's still in frame. Let's just move the line. No, that's good. Okay, let's see what we're going to do. Get out the back of this. Okay, let's get this off. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it's absolutely raining. Cats and dogs. Okay, just want to make sure I don't lock this up. Okay. Okay, that's good. Get my little pinning tray over. Okie dokie. Right, where's the pins? Let's get it around there. Let's get a shim. My beaten up old shim. Let's get this in there. I don't want to be pushing the core out, do we? No. Okay, shim's in. And a follower. Okay, pins are towards me. And we're out. Superb. Okay, so we have nothing on 1. Looks like a bit of threading on 2. Nothing on 3. Threading on 4. Nothing on 5. Just dump these pins out. So we've got like a bomb serrated in 1, a double serrated in 2, a single serrated, maybe a spool in 3, a double serrated spool in 4, and where's my tweezers, and a really nice serrated in 5. Going back to the core, so we've got, you can see that there, focus, there we go. So we've got threading in 2 and 5, nothing in 1, nothing in 3, nothing in 4. Okay, the business end. Let's just get the old shim out. Okay, so okay, 1, I'll do a close-up of the pins afterwards. We have this really lovely sharp spool in 1. That was going that way round. And a spring that does not want to come out. Okay, yeah, we've got him. We've got a steel spring in 1. Tweezers, okay. And in 2, we've got this beautiful, beautiful triple serrated in 2, which went that way. And a copper spring. Okay, in 3, we have this like spool barrel pin. If you can see it there. Just went that way around. Beautiful pin there. And a steel spring. Go this way, I think. Okay, in 5, oh, that way. Okay, in 5, we've got like a serrated deep spool in 5. Fantastic pin there. And in 4, we have this really deep spool in 4 with like a little serration just by the top. Fantastic pin. We have a steel spring in 5. And a spring in 4, and it does not want to come out. Okay. It's a steel spring, but it doesn't want to come out. Okay, any modifications done in the Bible? So I don't know if you can see in there. Let's get the light in there. Okay, so we've got threading in 1, and that's it. And I can just see the steel spring in 4. Oh, I don't know. Okay, it's grand. Okay, there we go. Okay, a close-up of the pins. That's good. Okay. So we've got like a double serrated key pin in a double spool sort of key pin in 1, a double spool in 2, a single spool in 3, double serrated in 4, and a double serrated in 5. Like a single serration or maybe spool in 1. This beautiful, beautiful triple spool in 2. Like a barrel pin in 3. It's like a spool with a really sharp serration in 4, and this really cool. Look at that, really cool sort of double. Is it a double spool or a spool serration? Absolutely fantastic. Steel, brass, steel, steel, and steel in the springs. Bronx-LockPicker 60. Nearly missed out then. Absolutely fantastic lock, fantastic feedback. Really appreciate picking it. And Apache Locksport, thanks ever so much for sending it over. Really appreciate it. Okay, take care now. Bye.